So I've packed a bag for a couple of days. So I'm taking with me the trusty track store. Just got a pack there with some clothes in, got my running gear and stuff, because I want to be able to run while I'm there. I've got the DJI RSC2 gimbal, there's the DJI FPV drone, and then in that Patagonia pack there I've got the Mavic Mini, I've got my nifty 50 Canon lens, I've got some cables and stuff in there, some waterproofs, got the GoPro, my Kindle and my journal. There's my wash bag, which is taking the MacBook. Yeah, that's the lot, all packed, ready to go. Ready on the bus, 2 minutes to spare, timing. That was close. The next bus is like 4 hours. So, I'm so glad I've made this one. 2.5 hour drive to Danyang. There's about 6 people on this bus. So plenty of space. Sit back and enjoy the ride. So made it to Danyang. Only just though. But wow, this place looks amazing. This is going to be so good for the drone around here. Went past this lake. Went past a couple of lakes not too far from here. And there's like these rocks out in this lake with these like traditional Korean buildings on. Wow. So yeah, so arrived at the bus depot here, and my accommodation is literally a couple of minutes walk away. And yeah, just met the owner, she's really nice. I was walking around the block and she came out, she said, "We're here." This is my room for the next couple of days. There's the bed. There's the bathroom, sink, shower, just a very small wet room. Smells really nice, everything's super clean. Got some good news just before I set off. My good friend Han, he's going to come over tomorrow. He's left a thing saying, told me to be outside the front of the accommodation at 6 AM. So looks like an early start, but fingers crossed. I might even go and try and find somewhere now to fly the drone, have a bit of a practice. Yeah, go and have a recce, see if I can go and fly it somewhere. Yep, so we'll go and get some food, and because I'm absolutely starving, and I'll speak to you soon. Okay, peace. Okay to film? Okay, cool. Thank you. And basically it's just spring onion and cabbage, a pancake made from flour. So it looks like we're going to get a chance to fly. A little bit nervous. Antennas onto the goggles. Okay, there we go. Props on. out. Got out past that bridge on the first battery, and I started to lose picture quality or image quality in the goggles. But it was fine, I brought it back. When I went out the second time, completely lost everything. Screen went blank, nothing. Yeah, I was pretty worried. For a couple of minutes, nothing. No control, couldn't see it. I was obviously way past that bridge over there. You can just see in the distance. And then all of a sudden it sparked back to life and said it was returning to home as a safety measure. So, and then it literally just brought it back. So that's quite reassuring, knowing that it's gonna do that, because oh my god, can you imagine second flight dropped into the water. But it's, yeah, it's cool. I really like it. It's a whole new experience with wearing the goggles, for sure. God, it's so beautiful around here. So good to get out of the city, to be honest. Time for coffee. Yes, let's go get some coffee. I've seen a coffee shop.
the ground. So please hear me. Oh, here we go. Feelings overflow. I don't really know what to, 'cause I'm a restless soul.